Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new to my channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I did my individual 4 locks. So as you can see, my hair is really short. I did the individual braids off camera. I just used my hair, and places I don't have hair or that I have really short hair, like the back of my hair is really short, I added just a little bit, just a tiny bit of extension, so as to, you know, be able to grip the hair properly, and so that the hair will last. So that is what I'm doing right here. I just did my natural hair in single plaits, and then I started attaching the 4 locks, the crochet 4 locks onto my hair. As you can see, there are so many ways in which you can do this. You can actually do this like the normal crochet. You don't have to do the individual 4 locks, but if you want to make the individual 4 locks, then you can do it this way that I'm doing it. And I've seen some videos that when you are latching your crochet onto your hair, you pass your hair and the crochet. I don't know how to explain, but you guys will see the way I'm doing my own. Yeah, that's it, done with the first 3 at the back, and then I'll just continue doing. I latched the crochet through my hair, pulling just the 4 locks, not my hair through to tie it, because I've done that before. When I did it, you latch the crochet hair through your hair, and then you pull your hair and the crochet through. It looks good, but when it comes to taking it down, it's when I did mine like that, it was really difficult for me to take it down. So this time around, I didn't do my hair that way. I did it in another different way. As you can see, it's very easy. Just latch the 4 locks through your hair and then pull your hair through the 4 locks. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to explain, but it's just as simple as that. You can actually learn it by looking at it. This is what I'm doing again. Latch my hair through, pull just the 4 locks through, tie it, make sure it is tight, well secured, and then I'll pass my hair through the 4 locks, making sure my hair is inside the 4 locks. This hairstyle is so beautiful and nice, and it is durable as well. It lasts really long. As you guys can see, I have a really short hair and thin hair at that, so I don't keep hair for long. I tend to take my hair out at most a month, but this hair lasts long, and the more you wear it, the more beautiful it becomes. Like, I've been wearing this hair for more than 5 weeks now, and it still looks really good. I've rocked this hair in so many styles. I've packed it, styled it in so many ways. I also have a video on that, how I styled my 4 locks. Like, you guys will be surprised. Like, I did like amazing, beautiful, nice styles with these 4 locks. So I will edit the video on how I styled my 4 locks as well and upload it, so that you guys will see how I've been rocking my hair. So guys, if you are looking for something durable, something that will last, and something that is really nice, and it also depends on you as an individual on how you can keep hair, how you can maintain hair. Like, I make hair, so I know how to maintain my hair. So if you want something that will last you long, I think you should go for something like this, because the older it gets, the more beautiful it becomes. Like, it's really really nice. So I would advise you to go for something like this, and I think this is a good one. And this particular FAUX is really really nice. Like, you can wash it, is really really light, especially on my thin hair, and the loops are very wide. As you can see, you can stretch it out, so it doesn't put any kind of tension on your hair. It doesn't pull your hair down. Like, you guys can see that I have a really thin hair, and I've been rocking this hair for a very very long time. 5 weeks is like a long time for me when it comes to keeping hair, because I have thin hair and I don't want something that will damage the hair further. So for me to have kept this hair that long, you should know that the hair isn't putting any tension on my natural hair. So yeah. So I went off camera to finish off the hair, and this is how it came out. The hair is so nice and it is so light. As you can see, I was just flaunting my hair, and yeah, hair came out really really nice and beautiful, and I love the color. The ombre effect is giving me life. I love it so much. I could swing my hair back and forth, right and left. It isn't putting any tension on my edges. And yeah, this particular clip was like 4 or 5 days after I installed the hair, and for some reasons my camera and lighting were acting up. As you can see, the color isn't right at all. Everything is just off. I'm just showing you guys the length of the hair in this clip, and I just want to show you how I styled the hair for a few days before I started, you know, styling it and rocking it in different styles. I went ahead to add some hair jewelry to my hair, and yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.